Hey everybody, welcome to one more episode. This weekend we are not traveling. Our trailer is out for repairs. So we came to Valley Forge Park, which is close to our house. So just have a family time. We were just riding our bikes. But we want to tell you about a quick two recipes that we tried during our last trip. And I think we really like them. So the first recipe that we want to share with you, you probably heard about it. It's pretty popular, which is Hobo Pockets. But what we like about it is that it's like a family activity. When you do it, all the family gathers together. Everybody makes their own little pocket, so you can do whatever ingredients you like. Everybody's together. The kids get to make them, so it's just a good family time.
So like you said, it can be really easy and you can use a lot of different ingredients. When we were making it, we used ham because it was Easter the week before and we had a lot of leftover ham. Ham, potatoes, peppers, onions, corn, cheese. Those are all things that we use. You could probably use a variety of meat, starches, whatever.
I personally like to use like chorizo. Italian sausage is a really good one. So yeah, whatever kind of meat you like, just keep in mind that certain type of meats like Italian sausage or chorizo take a little longer. In our case, we did ham because we didn't want the kids to wait too long, and it was just, they were ready in no time.
Yeah.
We kind of half boiled the potatoes because we wanted them to be ready a little bit.
Yeah, we did, that's right. We did half boil the potatoes inside before we put them in the packets, just because we knew the kids would be impatient and they would want to throw them in and eat them. Two things to keep in mind is double foil. That's very helpful. And don't put them, I would say don't put them directly on the fire, but kind of like tucked in the coals around the fire, because our kids were just throwing them in the fire and some of them got a little burned. But the ones that didn't, the ones that we took a little more time with, came out really good.
Yeah, and then something that we also do, you of course, you can drizzle a little oil, or you can put butter on it. Bacon, if you want to put bacon on it, that's really good. And the last ingredient that we always use is we sprinkle a little bit of ranch powder, and then yeah, you throw it in the fire, and it's really good. Don't you think it's like a good family?
It's easy, and it's like a recipe that you can use like with the fire, which is kind of the benefit when you're camping, of incorporating like your campfire or the outdoor activity with your food and not necessarily cooking everything at your kitchen.
So next morning we had the leftovers, onions,
ham, potatoes, onions, peppers.
Yeah, so it was like just throw all that in the griddle, make a quick hash, and breakfast was ready in no time. It was pretty good. Yeah,
and it was very good.
Yeah, a little omelette, and yeah, very quick and easy breakfast next morning. So
we're definitely going to do that again, because one thing we learned from last year is we waste a lot of food when we're camping. We always, do our groceries for the week at home, and then we end up going to the grocery store on the weekend, buying a bunch of food, spending $100, and then leaving with a lot of stuff that we didn't use. So this time we were really smart about it. We brought the ham, we brought the vegetables, we brought the potatoes, we used everything for dinner. We had everything the next morning for breakfast. It worked really well. I think we ended up only having to take home like
I don't even remember. Maybe a little bit of milk?
A little bit of milk and maybe a thing of mayonnaise, but I think that was it. So we're gonna try to be smarter this year, and we'll tell you about that this year with our groceries, because it's getting a little expensive.
Yeah, so if you wanna see our last video, cooking type of video, check our Blackstone griddle. I'm gonna put a link right here to that review, and during that video we also talked about a little campground dessert recipe that we like. It's easy and we think you're gonna like it too. I think that's gonna do it for today.
Hey, I'm Fawn.
I'm Eli.
See you later.
See you in the next one.